How's it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm gonna show you this: how to send high definition, high quality photos on WhatsApp. It's finally here, a native feature on how you can send those photos in a great, awesome quality, and you'll have right here, as you can see, the HD badge indicating that in fact this photo is in high definition. So the process is super simple, and I'm gonna show you how you can get on your WhatsApp right now. Let's get started. Okay, so all you have to do, as always, is go ahead and open up the App Store, go to search, tap here on the search bar and look for WhatsApp. As you can see right there, it's gonna show all of the WhatsApp apps. Tap on WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business. This feature is available on both. And go ahead here and wait if you see an update button as you're seeing on mine. This means that there is an update available for WhatsApp, so make sure to tap on it. Make sure it's updating and it's updated. Let's go ahead here and open up WhatsApp, as you can see right here, and there we have it, WhatsApp. And the way this works is extremely simple. It's gonna work both in photos that you have already taken or in photos that are taken right now. So for example, if I go ahead here and add a photo that's already in my photo library, I'm gonna tap here and I'm gonna select any photo for that matter. Let's tap on this one, as you can see right there. And then we'll have this new button right here which says HD right there at the top. So tap on it and then we'll see standard quality and HD quality. So all you have to do is tap on HD quality, tap on done, HD quality, as you can see right there, send, and that's it. We have the HD badge, meaning that it was sent in HD. Please keep in mind that this will not send in full quality, in raw quality. No, it will still compress, okay? The photo will still be a little bit less crispy than the original, but it's already a great photo and it's pretty much unnoticeable from the original one, all right? And another thing that's very important, this feature won't work for video, just for photo. And of course, you can also take a photo right now, right here, straight from WhatsApp, and then take this photo, and then right here we have the exact same button. So then you can tap here in HD, HD quality, done, and send, as you can see, and it's gonna be in HD as well. So this works for both photos in your photo library and also photos you're taking straight from the app. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's literally it. That's how you send HD, high quality, high definition photos straight from your WhatsApp. Finally, the native feature is here. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one as usual. Bye bye, guys.